In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall games on Steam. Just watch and follow this video till the end. First of all, you should open your Steam on your PC and then you go to this bar. Here guys, you have to go to library and here you will find your games. For example, me, I want to uninstall this game, Card Tech. I will just click on it and click right click and I will go to manage and go to browse local files, and here is it's going to take me to the games files on inside my PC, so I have to delete it from here. But first I have to click right now, right click again and click manage and click uninstall. Click uninstall again here, and right now guys it's uninstalling. And if I back to my game here, as you can see, it's deleting automatically guys. So I hope guys this video was useful for you. Don't forget to like and also subscribe, and see you next video.